Good morning, Jackson Garage. I'm going to make a polishing insert for my broken drill that just going to use the drill until all the gears are stripped. You'll probably hear in the upcoming video. But I'm making an attachment with a sponge, and I found some old polish. Some of you might remember this stuff being sold on TV by this, I think it was Verimark. So I'm going to use this on the inside of the bonnet, polish up the inside paint and see how that works out, and then go from there. Perhaps the whole car can be done in this similar fashion. Alright, let's go. Given that bonnet a quick rinse, some soap, some water, let it dry, and then we'll get to the polishing now. That's pretty good. I don't know. I think it's stuck, so let us give that thing a go. Put some of that compound on there and go give this thing a whirl. Okay, so look at the difference there. You can see this part is the raised part. There's a little dip in there, and then that's the washed original paint there. So, I mean, that's quite a stark difference, even in this sort of medium light. One thing that didn't really change are these rust spots that are still a little bit raised or whatever, but there's a reasonable job on the paint actually. Probably need to get a decent buffing wheel, which I'll get when stores open, etc. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. Okay, cool. That's it for this experiment on preserving patina. The next time I will actually get some decent real equipment, a proper polishing brush and a whatever swirling goodie, and do the experiment again with the real tools. So cool, catch you next time.